SAFEMOON is one of the altcoins that's seen a significant increase in value this week. The yield farming token appears to be being enhanced using blockchain bridges. Could this SAFEMOON cryptocurrency news serve as a springboard for more gains? What impact might this have on investor objections about impracticality? Hello, future billionaires! Welcome back to our channel Crypto Money, the channel where you get crypto inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. Today, we will be revealing SAFEMOON's biggest project release yet. Before we get started, a humble reminder: subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and remember to turn on post notifications as well to never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Know that prices of cryptocurrencies change frequently, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Some of these queries were addressed by the development team via Twitch, a live streaming site. The hashtag #SafeMoonBridges is trending again on Twitter thanks to SafeMoon's Twitter savvy. Thousands of investors have used the hashtag to express their delight at the token's increased utility as a result of blockchain bridges. Cryptocurrency developers frequently use blockchain bridges to provide interoperability. Investors will be able to move their tokens from the Binance Smart Chain to Ethereum and EOS chains using SafeMoon's bridges for a range of use cases. This release demonstrates SafeMoon's expansion into new areas such as liquidity staking, NFTs, and more. Based on many measures, the Binance Smart Chain BSC, a blockchain for decentralized apps (dApps) that is compatible with the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM), is on the increase. Last week, daily transactions on the Binance Smart Chain topped those on Ethereum by almost 500%, reaching an all-time high of 9 million on April 21st, compared to 1.5 million on Ethereum on the same day. The Binance Smart Chain, which is only 8 months old, has quickly become the most popular blockchain in terms of active unique addresses. On April 21st, it hit a high of 1 million active unique addresses, compared to 700,000 for Ethereum on the same day. The Binance Smart Chain runs alongside the Binance Chain, which was created with ultra-fast trading in mind. After Ethereum's $311 billion, BNB, the Binance Chain's native cryptocurrency, is currently placed third, with a total market value of $88.7 billion. The Binance Smart Chain adds smart contract capability to the Binance Chain and is compatible with the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM), making it simple for developers to migrate their projects from Ethereum to Binance. According to DeFi Llama, Ethereum has a total value locked (TVL) of $81.3 billion, which is more than double that of Binance Smart Chain, which has a TVL of $34.6 billion as of publishing time. The Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, on the other hand, is fast expanding. According to DApp data, its TVL climbed 30 times in the first 3 months of 2021. The ecosystem has surpassed the DApp count of EOS, which has the second biggest number of DApps behind Ethereum, with over 480 applications built on top of the Binance Smart Chain. BSC activity is on a giant parabola with no indications of stopping, Andrew Kang, managing partner of Mechanism Capital, a crypto firm, wrote in a tweet. While the pie is rising, it's clear that BSC is collecting the lion's share of new retail entrants. Ethereum is still used by the bulk of DApps, such as DeFi protocols, NFTs, and games. The Ethereum network has been beset by congestion and rising transaction prices or gas fees as a result of the rise of DeFi and NFTs over the last year, prompting DApps to migrate or expand to other chains that can deliver faster transactions and scalability at a cheaper cost. Binance Smart Chain has established itself as a serious contender. According to DApp Radar, gas fees on the Binance Smart Chain were 14 times lower than on Ethereum at the end of March. While Ethereum relies on a decentralized community of miners to solve difficult algorithms, proof of work, the Binance Smart Chain is more centralized and relies on a system of closed and pre-vetted validators, permissioned proof-of-stake authority, to achieve higher throughput. PancakeSwap, a Binance Smart Chain-based decentralized exchange (DEX) and automated market maker (AMM), has been a major contributor to the network's growth. For 3 days this month, the number of PancakeSwap-related transactions on the Binance Smart Chain eclipsed the number of transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. PancakeSwap, Binance Smart Chain's counterpart of Ethereum's Uniswap and SushiSwap, allows users to swap between crypto assets, as well as produce cryptocurrency through yield farming and liquidity mining. The Binance Smart Chain's low gas expenses let small-scale investors participate in yield farming. PancakeSwap's TVL is present at $8.9 billion, whereas Ethereum's Uniswap and SushiSwap have TVs of $6.6 billion and $4.4 billion respectively. Another reason for PancakeSwap's success is that it is one of the most popular exchanges for trading SAFEMOON, a DeFi cryptocurrency comparable to meme coin Dogecoin that launched last month. SAFEMOON, which has received a lot of attention on social media, has had its price increased by over 1,000% in the last month, but there are suspicions it could be a hoax or a Ponzi scheme. In many respects, the success of BSC and PancakeSwap is a reinforcement of a truth that the space has known for a while. The majority, particularly retail, will not care about decentralization until they are given a reason to, according to a recent analysis by derivatives exchange Deribit. BSC has provided a mechanism for individuals to participate in many of the best benefits of DeFi in ways they would not have had otherwise, especially with the continuous delays in Ethereum scaling solutions. At the moment, PancakeSwap has the majority of retail active users and attention, the Deribit report continued. But this could change as BSC runs into scaling issues with data storage, just as Ethereum is running into scaling issues with the delay of EIP 1559 and the likely liquidity fragmentation that will result from Layer 2 adoption. The internet is replete with speculation and supposition about Ethereum's competitors and which, if any, could emerge as an Ethereum killer. Experts, however, believe that Ethereum will not be completely replaced. Cross-chain interoperability, in which users may simply transfer assets between chains, is more likely to succeed. Ethereum is transitioning from a proof-of-work to a proof-of-stake system in order to make it more scalable, secure, and long-lasting. Ethereum's Berlin update, which was supposed to minimize the use of gas costs and increase the network security, was successfully deployed earlier this month. The company's next network upgrade, dubbed London, is set to begin in July or August. The upgrade will include the EIP 1559 fee market modification, which is expected to increase Ethereum transaction fee efficiency. SafeMoon's announcement is a step in the right direction as the company tries to shed its reputation as a fraud. SafeMoon has been the target of criticism since the beginning, as crypto influencers and blockchain analysts point out flaws. One of the most obvious and easily demonstrated flaws is the token's fundamental lack of utility. The entire pull of this token, which is billed as a yield farming token, is in buying tokens and simply holding onto them to earn additional tokens. There's nothing to do with them but arbitrage them for profits, perhaps. This new bridging will allow developers to provide some form of use case, and given the crypto's fervent Twitter following, it's safe to assume that many will make use of it. SafeMoon has been treading water for the most part. However, the token is heading upward this afternoon, with an 11% rise as the devs implement bridging. SafeMoon's price has a tendency to rise, which has resulted in a break past a resistance barrier. SafeMoon is anticipated to head towards the range's midpoint as a result of this rise. On June 22nd, SafeMoon price hit a range low of $0.0000257 and has rallied almost 20% in the last 8 hours to hit a new swing high of $0.0000315. This rally ripped through a key resistance level around $0.0000295, turning it into support and confirming the return of buyers. As a result, investors should expect a slight 6% drop that retests the previously mentioned support barrier before rebounding to fresh swing highs. If this were to happen, SafeMoon's price would initially rise 15% to $0.0000338, the immediate ceiling. If the purchasing pressure persists after the breach of this region, SafeMoon will retest the resistance barrier at $0.0000412. This change would represent a 40% increase from the $0.0000295 support level. failure to break through the resistance level at $0.0000338 may cause the 40% ascent to be slowed or delayed. A breach of the demand barrier at $0.0000295 on the other hand will imply a lack of buyers. If this occurs, resulting in a swing low below $0.0000267, the bullish thesis will be invalidated, and a sell-off to the range bottom of $0.0000257 would begin. This drop could result in a retest of the support barrier at $0.0000198 in an extremely bearish scenario. And with that, it's time to end the video. We hope this session was informative. Do let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe for more content just like this one and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas.